Hello, and today we are looking at the Skymarks British Airways Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner in 1/200 scale. And as you can see, it comes packaged in this very nice box showing the fuselage on display like so. And as you can see, it looks very nice here. It's Skymarks. And if you don't know, this is a snap fit kit that doesn't require any glue to build, and I will give you a good demonstration of that in a moment. So there you go, you can see the fuselage looking nicely inside. Let's open up the box, and then we can have a look at the model. See, it comes packaged here. If you just lift the top section off, and you'll have the wings, engines, display stand, and stabilizers here, and the fuselage in this top section. So let's take the fuselage out, like so. Now let's move this out of the way. So here we have the fuselage. It's really nice and sturdy, very, very solid, very nice. Now let's start by building the wings. So we take the two wings like so. Two wings, and as you can see, they've got spots here and here for the engines to attach on. So we take here, if we just take out the engines like so, which also means we can get a nice good look at them up close, so we can see the nice detail on them. As you can see, we've got the little Rolls-Royce symbols on them, looking from the back. Again, Rolls-Royce again. So you can get really nice up close. So look at these nice detailed Rolls-Royce engines before we put them on the wings. So let's take one of the wings. You see there's a gap here. And you just push it down like so. And the engine snaps nicely onto the wing. So that's one wing built. Now let's build the second one. Same thing again, just pushing it on like so. And there you have it. The wings of the 787 Dreamliner are now built, and we can now place them onto the fuselage of the plane. And if you don't need to know which one's which, they also have little symbols on them, so you can tell. Just slide in like so, and that's wing one. Give it a nice little push, and that's wing two. There you have it, the 787 now with its nice wings. See, they're quite nice and detailed. As you can see, the flaps, the ailerons, the raked wingtips of the 787. Of course, we've already seen the jet engines on them. And underneath, you can see it still continues along. Now let's move on to the tail of the plane. We take this here. As you can see, it comes with a display stand, which we will get to at the end. But what we're going for now is these, which are the horizontal stabilizers. As you can see, the vertical stabilizer is already attached. So let's just take these out. So there's one, and there's two. You're gonna make sure these are angled the right way so they are not upside down. And just like the wings, they just slide in like so. If you need to, give it a little wiggle so it slides in nicely. And it should be nice and securely in there. Turn it around, and we can do the same on the other side. Just give it a little wiggle. And there you have it. That is the fully built Skymarks British Airways Boeing 787 Dreamliner in 1/200 scale. Now let's have a look at some of the details of it before we put it on the stand. As you can see, it's got the British Airways livery all across it, looking very nice. The logo, and as you can see here, and here we've got little One World symbols, which is the airline alliance British Airways is a part of. Then we've got like a royal seal here. We've got a registration of GZBJA. And this plane actually still flies with British Airways today. So if you're out, you may see this plane out in person, or maybe you will fly on it. Who knows what will happen. Also here, a little Royal Mail symbol. You can see a nice detailed, nice printing of all the windows and things like that. And of course, the big flag on the tail, you know, the most iconic part of the British Airways livery, and BJA is also written up here. of course, part of the registration. Moving to the cockpit, again, you can see for the windows and BJA written once again. Turning to the side, and you get the same level of detail all across. So it's a nice, detailed, simple model. And of course, like I said, it comes with a display stand, which is here. It's made of two parts. One just clips onto here. So let's put the model onto its stand. Just give it a little wiggle, like so. That pushes in. And then you can just hook it onto the stand here. And as you can see, the stand says, okay, to come into focus, British Airways Boeing 787-8, scale 1/200, of course in reference to the model itself. And there you can see, looking very nicely on its display stand from one angle. And you can see it from another angle. Of course, like I said, it was really easy to build, but it also comes with some instructions here on how to build them. It's just showing you all the different parts that can go together. These aren't the exact instructions, these are more general instructions for Skymarks models, because as you can see, this is not a BAE 146-A MD-90. It is one of the Airbus and Boeing style models like this. Now let's get into a little bit about the 787. It is a long-haul, wide-body airliner produced by Boeing, and the first 787s entered production in 2007 and entered service in 2011. And this is a 787-8, which was the first version and is the base version of the 787. And it is the shortest model in production, and it was designed to be the replacement for the Boeing 767-200ER and was designed to compete with the Airbus A330. So, of course, that's a nice little bit of history about this Boeing 787, and like I've said, this registration for this plane is still active today with British Airways, so maybe you'll see it out in person. Now, this model itself has a wingspan of about 30.1 centimeters, so it's quite a nice wide wingspan, and it's about 28.4 centimeters long. So again, nicely detailed size. It's a great little display piece for anyone. It's really fun and simple to build. Great for any collector of, aviation, or a fan of British Airways, or for someone who has flown on this plane, and it's a nice reminder for them of their time. And this model is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.